glad you can join me today. Today I will be going over the factors that can affect the selection of a species. This is the specification, OCR. This I believe is 6.1.2, no wait, it's one of them I'll put in the description, can't always remember off the top of my head. Okay, so factors that affect the selection of a species. This is everything that you should know. There are two types of selection. You've got stabilizing selection, which is the selection against the extremes of a trait. This is the most common selection and is a response to a stable environment. The other type is directional selection. This favors an extreme and occurs after a change in the environment. Over time, there is a gradual shift in the optimum value. An example is normally resistance of a disease. You can get something called genetic drift. Genetic drift is the change in allele frequencies due to changes as some alleles are passed on and others disappear. This occurs when there are no selection pressures, like the ones previously mentioned. Individuals within a population show variance in their genotypes when this occurs. The thing to note is that genetic drift will happen completely by chance. As there are no selection pressures, there isn't an obvious reason why, it just kind of happens. Genetic drift has a much larger effect on a small population. Genetic drift has a greater effect if there is a bottleneck effect and a founder effect. A bottleneck effect is an event which causes a big reduction in population size. This leads to a reduction in the gene pool. You also can get the founder effect. The founder effect occurs when few individuals leave the original population and begin a new population. And that is everything you should know about the factors affecting selection.